Hi, this is David Workman from Data Mosaic, and this is a short video of a new feature in Data Sutra that we are opening up to the public to try today online, and that is the web client version of Data Sutra. Up until this time, Data Sutra has been a smart client only application. While this has enabled us to rapidly develop complex user interfaces with very condensed data, it does necessitate that the client has Java Virtual Machine and Java installed on their computer. With the imminent release of Servoy 6.1, this is all about to change. We have been hammering on the betas and the release candidates of Servoy 6.1, and this is 6.1 has enabled us to overcome the challenges of web programming and implementing third-party tools that we've been looking for ever since Web Client actually came out. Really liking the changes of Servoy 6.1. For those of you who are not familiar with Data Sutra, it is an application that allowing you as a developer to quickly deploy applications that look really good. And all you have to worry about is coding forms for whatever solution that you need, and we take care of everything else, including the layout manager, universal lists, metadata driven. And fast finds, all kinds of things like this. These all work for you right out of the bat. All you do is create a navigation set, attach navigation items to those. It's all done in the navigation engine over here. Set up your lists, set up your finds. You can find on related stuff. We have a find and replace functionality over our current record set. The action buttons here, you can turn them on or off. Filters, reports. A lot of programming stuff that you don't have to worry about. Set that up and go. It allows you to prototype very fast, and guess what, as a developer you only worry about the workflow forms using Servoy's forms-based development tool here, and everything we take care of everything else for you. We tie everything together with powerful access and control functionality, complex password and rules set up. There are three different levels of access and control. The first is what navigation items users can see. Also the filtering, what records user can see, and this is on an organization and on a user basis, additive up. And thirdly, what actions users can do. And this is at the group level, and what users are assigned to groups, and various groups have the different levels of functionality. You can register workflow controls for modules, various modules, CRM, CMS, documents, and then assign those particular actions to your groups and turn them on and off. Users themselves can also have defaults, their own preferences, access log actions of what they're doing through the flow of their using of the solution as well. So that's access and control, very powerful, ties things together. And now for the demo of the web version of Data Sutra. I have with us here at this time Troy Elliott, Chief Engineer at Data Mosaic. Hi, Troy.
Hi, Dave.
All right, so we have the error thing showing up at the top there. That's our first. So I'm just clicking around here in the web version. You'll notice that there's a full page refresh between navigation items. If I click on the record navigator, let's just take a look at things. Notice that the universal list here in the bottom left. Let's try searching for something. Sure enough, let's clear the search. Let's go to contacts and check out maybe one of the filters. There you go. Those are all that's related search on everybody at Servoy. Notice has been clicking around that the history stack, if I hold up here, the history stack has been preserved. This is not default to Survey Web Client. We're using what, the history HTML5 history library for that, Troy?
Yep, that's correct.
Somebody from New Zealand developed that, I do believe. Probably sitting in his basement just like we are right now. This server is hosted in Minneapolis, St. Paul, Minnesota. So last night we had a couple very important people from Survey testing this out from Milano, Italy. And we also had a customer in Sydney, Australia, checking it out. If you'd like to leave log in, you can give us send me an email. I'll give you login credentials. If you've watched Office Space, you should be able to figure out what that password is. You can leave feedback up here under the feedback window. Nice little feedback thing. Sorry, double glitch there. Okay, that was working. Let me just see what's going on. It's a little sticky, that's what it is. Okay, that's going to save it back to our feedback system. Anything else that there's a couple different navigation sets. If you've been, you can check out our Sutra CMS that we have not converted over to the web client style, but notice that our default smart client screens actually do work. Let's see if that actually snaps back. It does. Good work. So this is, I think there's some jump to things. So this should jump you to that contact over there. Contacts that person. So everything working in web client. Some cool stuff going on. Hope you like it. We're going to leave this up for the weekend and see how it goes. Feel free to test it from anywhere and send us some feedback. Thank you.